travel all our way until Semarang and we have no project? How's that even possible? Like, we didn't even have a guy that is in there to tell us what to do, so we are gonna make all our things for nothing? So, we had a meeting with Mr. Jurate, the guy that everybody was afraid of, and he gave us free access to everything, he gave us support to all our things, and even he gave us new ideas. So, that's the project that we were aiming for. Yay!
Alright, so we just conducted the survey. We got 102 responses. Let's find out what the main problems are and then find solutions for them.
From the survey result of Poo Kong, we found that it lack of information in English, so I put my contribution to translate like flyers, social media promotion, and information board in English. So hopefully it will attract more tourists.
The survey results showed that there were not enough information provided when we got there. So we need more information, so we need to create flyers and maps. Also, the cleanliness, 41% were not happy. Poo Kong has a lack of social media presence, so we need to create a basis for that by creating a Facebook page, Instagram page, and do some promoting work.
We have done a lot of communication via Facebook as much as in real life. We have contacted potential stakeholders of the Poo Kong Foundation, such as media, press, TV, radio, tourism department, bloggers, public figures, etc., etc. And we have collaborated with some of them to create content for social media of Poo Kong and establish connections that help to accomplish the goals we have set in the beginning of this project.
Okay, so we've just been on live TV on TV Cool to promote the Shangri Festival. It was a little bit scary, but a great success.
How are you feeling?
Not good. Take a seat. Kuklinyte! Payo tanam!
Today, we finished the parade with our broomstick, and at the end we didn't sing any song because the 1 hour parade was 3 hour parade, and we were feeling really bad with our Chinese customs. But at the end we enjoyed to see that there was a lot of people there and that everybody attended the event, so it was really nice. So we were able to go to see radio. It's my first radio program, was our first radio program, and we were able to promote Poo Kong, and that was a plus for our event promotion, and actually it was really great, and everybody was making us feel relaxed and enjoying the moment.
We have been working Poo Kong event for a couple of weeks. We participate in the event, and what I like the most about it was that it brought many culture and religion together.
No way.
No, our project was awesome, and today is our last day, and it's already 5:25, and we are working more than we were expecting, but we are done, and this is the end. Now we make friends, we are happy, and it's time to enjoy Indonesia.
We are get many experience, yeah.
Global tourism project, so amazing.